we are gathering as many people as possible to take care of this beautiful forest, and we're trying to get as many supporters to clean our environment and take care of everything around us.
Our actions as the eco committee are really important, not only in the school but also outside.
It's important for students and smaller children to learn about the environment and help it as much as they can.
We can grow an example to the children regarding the importance of keeping the environment safe for everybody, clean for everybody, and uh, usable in the future for all of us.
I think it's very heartwarming that so many people care about the nature and taking care of our environment.
I felt happy that a lot of people were here to pick up litter and that there were not so much litter as last year.